consisting 5 vertices and how many edges? 5 edges. Is this graph, what type of this curve? Always traversable or sometime traversable or never traversable? Find degree of each vertices. What is degree? E1, 2 degree. Degree of this vertex E1, 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 E1. Degree of each vertices are of E1 degree. So this graph is always traversable. Degree of, so Euler graph, and it is always traversable. What about this graph? Degree of each vertices in this graph is also even. So this graph is also always traversable. Now we see another graph. In problem there are 3 houses, housing 1, 2 and 3, and 3 utilities: water, gas and electricity. Each house require all these 3 utilities. The house 1 required water, gas and electricity. House 2 is also require water, gas and electricity. House 3 is also required water, gas and electricity. Is this graph is always traversable, sometime traversable or never traversable? Find degree of each vertex. What is degree of this vertex? 3. Degree of each vertex is 3. So degree of each vertex are not even, so this is not always traversable curve. Now what is always traversable? Degree of each vertex even, then it is always traversable curve. So this graph is always traversable curve. Why? Degree of each vertex is even. This graph, in this graph, degree of each vertex is not even. So this is not a always traversable curve. Now we check, is that graph is sometime traversable curve? So find degree of each vertex. Degree of this graph not contains exactly 2 vertices of odd degree. Odd degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This graph consisting 6 vertices are of odd degree. Now which curve is sometime traversable? If there exists exactly 2 vertices of degree, then it is sometime traversable, otherwise not. So this graph is neither always traversable not sometime traversable. So what type of this curve? This curve is never traversable. Now we see one more exercise. Find which type of this curve, always traversable, sometime traversable or never traversable. Fine. So is this always traversable? This graph, find degree of each vertex. Degree of this vertex is 5 because 5 edges are incident to each 4 vertices. So not all vertices are of even degree. So this graph is not always traversable. Is it sometime traversable curve? So which graph is sometime traversable? If there exists exactly 2 vertices are of odd degree, then it is sometime traversable, otherwise not. So here this graph consists 4 vertices are of odd degree. So this graph is not a sometime traversable curve. So which type of this graph? this curve is never traversible. Understand? Now planar graph. What is planar graph? Now this is a problem, utilities problem. 3 house and 3 utility. Each house require all 3 utility, water, gas and electricity. Is this graph is planar graph? Now what is planar graph? Planar graph is a graph we drawn on a paper without crossover any arc or any edge. Now check exercise for you. This graph is planar or not planar? This graph is not planar graph. Why? It is exercise for you. Now planar graph. Now what is complete graph? Complete graph with 5 vertices. Complete graph with 1 vertices is a null graph. What is complete graph with 2 vertices? Complete graph with 2 vertices. What is complete graph? Complete graph with 1 vertices. Complete graph with 2 vertices. And complete graph with 3 vertices. This is a complete graph with 1 vertices. So complete graph is a graph in which there exists an edge between every pair of vertices. Now complete graph is a simple graph. Complete graph is a simple graph in which there exists an edge between every pair of vertices. Now this first graph consisting only single vertex, null graph, one component. This is a complete graph. Now complete graph with 2 vertices. For n is equal to 2, there exists an edge between every pair of vertices. This is only one pair, and this edge we can't add any further edge. Why? So in the simple graph, any parallel edge is not allowed, any self edge is also not allowed. So complete graph is a simple graph in which every pair of vertices contains at least one edge. So simple graph with 1 vertex is a null graph. Simple graph with 2 vertices. Complete graph. This is a complete graph with 2 vertices. This one is a complete graph with 3 vertices. This is one is a complete graph with. Is this complete graph with 4 vertices? Is this graph is complete? No, this graph is not complete. Why? So there does not exist an edge between which 2 vertices? B and D. If we draw this edge, then it becomes a complete graph. Now, how many pair of vertices, distinct pair of vertices? There exists an edge between every pair of vertices, between A and B, between A and C, between A and D, between B and C, between B and D, between C and D. So this graph is an illustration of a complete graph with 4 vertices. Now what about what is complete graph with 5 vertices? Is this a complete graph? If this is a complete graph with 5 vertices? No, this is not a complete graph with 5 vertices. Why? There does not exist edge between B and E. Now this graph is a complete graph because there exists an edge between every pair of vertices because this is a simple graph that does not contain self loop or parallel edges. So this is a, now my question is complete graph with 5 vertices, complete graph with 5 vertices is a planar graph? This is a complete graph with 5. Is this graph is planar? Can we draw this graph on a plane of paper without crossover? Is, so this is exercise. This graph is not planar, not planar graph. Why? Now today we see walk as well as, now we revise all these things what we are see today. Now what is graph? Graph G is a consisting of pair of vertices VE vertex set V and edge set E. Each edge associated with either unordered pair of vertices or ordered pair of vertices. If ordered pair of vertices, then graph becomes a directed graph. This is a graph with 4 vertices and 7 edges. Loop, which today define loop, parallel edges. What is loop? An edge whose endpoints are equal is a loop. What is parallel edges? Edges we have the same pair of n vertices. Also we say incident and degree of vertices. If here edge EI is incident on Vj, edge EI is incident to Vj, edge EI is incident from Vj. So edge EI and vertex Vj are incident to each other. Also we see today incidence relationship, degree of a vertex. Now simple graph, general graph, component. Now what is component? Component is a disconnected graph consisting two or more connected subgraph. Each of these connected subgraph is known as a component. Now what is Euler graph? Euler graph is a closed walk, closed trail containing all edges except the first vertex. Starting vertex and ending vertex are in a closed walk, closed trail is always repeated. Now what is even graph? Even graph is a graph with vertex degree all even and is always traversable curve. What is a vertex is odd? A vertex is odd when its degree is odd. A vertex is even when its degree is even. Now what is conic bus bridge problem? Conic bus bridge problem, we put this live problem in a model as a model. Vertex take as a region, edge take as a pass between two regions, and we put this model in a network diagram, and then we from this network diagram we can tell this is a always traversable curve or sometime traversable curve or never traversable curve. Okay, understand?
સંધાન. ઓલ ગુજરાત ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ક્લાસરૂમ.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.